All right, welcome to this tapping video, short and sweet, about helping you to heal from a narcissistic relationship, narcissistic abuse, whatever the term is, whatever you've been going through. This is going to help you to reconnect to the body, to start to release some of the somatic imprints, and to help you reclaim your voice, reconnect with your intuition, and re-establish yourself, your boundaries, and what you will and won't tolerate, or what you will and won't have, as some people like to say. So I'm going to invite you to just tap on the side of your hand and follow me round the tapping points. I will guide you through each of them. Just tap where I tap, say what I say, and see how you feel. So just take a moment while you're tapping on the side of your hand. Get your feet flat on the floor if you can, and just tune into, when you think about your situation, without going too deep into any particular memories or anything like that, just notice your kind of level of stress around it, or how it makes you feel in the body to be either in the situation or healing from it, let's say. And just notice any physical sensations that you might be experiencing. Okay, and we're going to say, even though I'm holding the effects of this experience in my body and my energy, I'm open to creating a sense of safety in this moment. And even though it might feel hard to feel fully safe after what I've been through, I honor myself for showing up anyway. And even though there may be a part of me or parts of me that still feel stuck or impacted, I give myself permission today to begin releasing what no longer belongs to me. And we're going to just go to the eyebrow point. So right at the inside of the eyebrow. And we're just going to say, it's okay to be in my body. Outside of the eye, I take a moment to notice my breathing. Underneath the eye, I bring the attention back to myself. Under the nose, I don't need to fix anything right now. On the chin, I'm just noticing what's here. Under your collarbones, I'm giving myself permission to pause. Underneath the arm, pretty much on the bra line, to listen to my body's signals. Top of the head, in the middle. I want to feel safe to come back to myself. And then we're going to go back to the eyebrow. I'm still carrying energy that isn't mine. Outside of the eye, it might be fear, doubt, or shame. Under the eye, it feels heavy in my system. Under the nose, and there's a part of me knows I don't have to hold it anymore. On the chin, that I can start to release what was never mine. Collarbones, clear the energetic weight I'm carrying. Under the arm, let it gently fall away. Top of the head, so I can start to reclaim my voice. And we'll go back to the eyebrow. I'm allowed to have strong, clear boundaries. Outside of the eye, what if I could begin to feel safe in my own space? Under the eye. What if I could choose to honor what feels right for me? Under the nose. What if I could say yes and mean yes? On the chin. And no when I mean no. Collarbones. I choose to remember that my energy is my own. Under the arm. I choose to validate my feelings, my beliefs. Top of the head. And I choose to reclaim my own energy field. Stay here so I can feel safe, protected, and free. And we'll go back to the eyebrow. I want to reconnect with my inner voice. Outside of the eye, even if it's felt hidden or quiet. Under the eye, I choose to believe that my truth matters. Under the nose, and I am no longer available for discounting my own feelings. On the chin, I'm no longer available for gaslighting and manipulation. Collarbones, I'm open to my intuition returning to me. Under the arm, to honoring what I feel and sense is going on. Top of the head, and to trusting myself again. And back to the eyebrow. Last round. I'm coming home to myself. Outside of the eye. With every breath, I'm growing stronger. Under the eye. I honor what I've been through. Under the nose. And I honor who I'm becoming. On the chin. My light was never lost. Collarbones. It's just been waiting to shine again. Under the arm. And as I reclaim my voice, my intuition, and my identity, top of the head, I pave the way for a bright new future. Okay, we'll just come to a stop. Just put your hand on your heart for a sec. Take a nice deep breath in and out. And just relax your hand down. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw relax for a moment. You might want to let your tongue relax in your mouth. Let your jaw open and soften a bit, because we hold a lot of tension in the jaw and the vagus nerve. And just notice what feels different in your body now. How do you feel, Jill, having done that with me?
Very, very grounded. And again, the languaging is so important, isn't it? When we're in that regulated state where the brain waves are slower, we're so receptive to laying down the new neural pathways for a new way of being. I loved your languaging so much of returning to self or reclaiming self and reclaiming your voice. Very grounding, very solid. I liked it very much.
Nice.
Thank
And I
you.
love that word solid. Thank you for that, because I think when you come back into your body, that's a good sign that you've landed, what we call landed back in your own body, is that you feel like solid, maybe heavy, maybe grounded, maybe like rooted to the spot even, like it could be really windy and nothing would blow you over kind of feeling, you just feel real like a big old oak tree. That's a really good sign that you've kind of landed back somatically in the body. And I think You can change the wording if some of it doesn't resonate or if something felt more important. I always guide people that your language is the most important thing. So if I say something and something else comes into your head, let it come out because it needs to be heard. But if the words resonated with you, there's no harm in you repeating this every day. And for people who may still be in the situation, it will help to garner courage and it will help to reconnect you back in. For those of you who are out the other side, it's going to help to reinforce that I am presence, that sovereignty, that identity, and that feeling of, okay, it's possible for me to have a new future, for me to, come back to myself. Because I think that's the essence of it, isn't it? You need to just come back home to yourself.
Absolutely. Back to self and the solid self, the solid I am. But I think never underestimating the compound effect of regular tapping on whatever it is you're trying to change or grow within yourself. It just gradually all builds up over time. Yeah, beautiful.
Mm. I love that. And thank you for that lovely feedback. And if anybody is struggling with anything like this, feel free to reach out to either of us. And if you are a therapist or a coach or a healer of some kind and you've caught this and this has caught your attention and you're thinking, goodness me, this would be useful for my clients. Maybe you work in narcissistic relationship stuff or abuse, or even if it just, people who have struggled with any kind of relationship or whatever, and this resonates for you, then Jill and I do a suite of trainings and different things that you can, that we will signpost in the comments, in the show notes below the video. And if those are interesting to you, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Okay.
Thank you, Emma.
Anything else you want to say, Jill, before we wrap up?
Nothing at all. That was just lovely. Yeah.
Good. Well, we
Um,
hope it helps you from our
yeah,
hearts to
yeah,
yours.
absolutely.
Drop into the comments. Let us know if this helps. Please feel free to subscribe wherever you're seeing this and share it with somebody as well. If you feel that it might help, tag them underneath, send it however you feel it might help. Because if we help one person today, as far as I'm concerned, that's my job done. So we would love your help getting this out there to the right people.
Absolutely. And I was thinking we might even do another video around other aspects of narcissism and
Awesome.
maybe trauma bonding with it.
Yeah. So keep coming back to the channel, keep having a look. Um, we try to do this in a very grounded way so that people can understand it and it's just very real time. So yeah, if you would like any other kind of support as well or any other videos, let us know in the comments below and we'll see what we can do to accommodate. All right. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Take care. Bye-bye.